Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Today we are going to install and configure the TP-Link Deco 7 BE4800 Mesh Wi-Fi 7 system. I'll guide you through every step using the Deco app so you can enjoy full home high-speed internet. If you just bought the TP-Link Deco 7 BE4800 and don't know how to install it, then don't worry, this video is only made for you. The TP-Link Deco 7 BE4800 is a Wi-Fi 7 mesh system that gives your whole home fast, reliable wireless internet by using multiple units working together. So let's start the video. Firstly, unbox the product box. Inside the box of the TP-Link Deco 7 BE4800 dual-band Wi-Fi 7 home mesh system, you usually get the Deco mesh units, power adapters for each unit, an Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. These items help you connect the main Deco to your modem and easily set up your Wi-Fi 7 mesh network using the Deco app. Now install the TP-Link Deco app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Take one Deco unit, this will be the main Deco. Connect Ethernet cable, one end is modem LAN port and other end is any port on Deco, ports auto detect 1/LAN. Plug Deco into power. Turn on your modem. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. Open the app and sign in with your TP-Link ID, or create one if you don't have an account. Open the Deco app. Tap Add a Deco. Select Wi-Fi 7, then choose Deco 7 BE4800. App will detect Deco via Bluetooth. Ask to confirm LED color. Tap Yes when blinking blue. Once the app detects your Deco, choose your internet type. Enter any details required, PPPoE username, password, etc. Now you will create your home Wi-Fi. Enter Wi-Fi name, SSID, example, Home Wi-Fi 7. Create a strong password. Minimum 8 characters, mix letters numbers. Tap Create Network. The app will prompt you to add more units. Place the next Deco in a different room, plug it in, and wait for the pulsing blue light. In the app, tap Add another Deco. It will find and connect automatically. Give it a name based on its room, e.g., living room. Repeat this for each unit. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.